In this video, I will show you how to make AI website step by step in just 2 minutes. At first, you need an API which will keep powering your artificial intelligence. If you use Gemini's API, it will take a question from Gemini and answer to your main artificial intelligence. Okay, let's begin. Open your browser. Now search Google AI Studio. Click enter. Click get API key. Click the create API key and create your own API. Okay, now again open your search bar and search V0 website. Now create your own account. Now you have to write your prompt. You can also write it from your ChatGPT and also you can use your own brain for writing it. After giving your prompt, it will start making your own website and it will take few seconds or maybe few minutes. You may face many runtime errors. For this, you just have to click fix with viewer button and it will again fixing your website. Now come to the point, how to add that API in this artificial intelligence. First go to ChatGPT and ask for your API key name and it will show you the key name and you just have to copy it. And here you have to click setting, go env.variables and click create button, paste the name and your API key. Okay, our project is ready and this is working properly. Obviously this is too much basic because we just use one API and that's why it's too much basic. Okay, enjoy this.